Merhaba everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to teach you a very important Turkish phrase that we always use in Turkish. And I'm sure you already heard it from Turkish people too. And that phrase is canı ... Canı istemek, canı istememek, canı sıkılmak, canı çekmek, canı yanmak, canı çıkmak. Ne demek? So, I'm going to teach you what these mean and how you can use them in your daily conversations. But first, what does can mean? Can. Can means heart. Can means soul. Canım means my heart, my soul. We also say canım arkadaşım, like my dear friend. Canım benim, my dear. Canı istemek means to feel like something, to want to do something. For example, you can say, canım uyumak istiyor. I want to sleep. Canım yürümek istiyor. I want to walk. And canı istememek is the opposite. For example, you can say, canım ders çalışmak istemiyor. I don't want to study. My soul, canım, doesn't want to study. I don't feel like studying. We also have canı çekmek, but we use it for food mostly. For example, you can say, canım dondurma çekiyor. Like, I want to eat ice cream, I'm craving ice cream. There is one important detail while using this phrase, and that is you should always use the third person when you are making sentences with this phrase. For example, you cannot say, canım istiyorum. Like, I know you are talking about yourself, but you are not directly talking about yourself. That's why you should use the third person and you should say canım istiyor, like it wants, my soul wants. The next one is canı sıkılmak. Canı sıkılmak. Canım sıkılıyor. I'm bored. Evde canım sıkılıyor. Benim de.
Evde canım sıkılıyor.
When I shared that video on my Instagram and TikTok, some people commented and said, benim de is wrong. He should say ben de. But they forget that when he says canım sıkılıyor, even though the translation is I'm bored, he says like my soul is bored. So he cannot answer ben de. He should say benim de. If he said sıkılıyorum, ben de sıkılıyorum is correct. But if he says canım sıkılıyor, he should answer benim de. Benim de canım sıkılıyor. Sıkılıyorum. Ben de sıkılıyorum. I hope that makes sense. It's a bit confusing. Then we have canı çıkmak, one of my favorite. One of my favorites. Canı çıkmak means like çıkmak, canı çıkmak. Canı çıkmak. Canım çıktı. My soul left my body. My soul went out of my body. Which means I'm so tired that I'm dead. For example, bugün işte çok çalıştım. Canım çıktı. I worked a lot at work today. I got so tired. Canım çıktı. Çok yoruldum. And lastly we have canı yanmak. Canı yanmak. Canım yandı. I got hurt. I'm hurt. For example, benden ayrıldığında canım çok yandı. When he broke up with me, it hurt so much. There is a lot more. But I think it is enough for today. I hope it was useful for you and I hope you can use them in your daily conversations and you can understand Turkish people better when they are using these phrases. And also let me know in the comments, do you prefer the videos where I speak English or in Turkish? I personally enjoy Turkish more. وأيضا يمكنني التحدث باللغة العربية إذا تريدون. kendinize çok iyi bakın. Hoşça kalın.